we do have 8 revives actually, yeah. You're right. True, true, true. Soltrek's ugly weapon. Pop, pop. No skip abort. Abort the chino. Yeah, it's cutscene Andy, man. Okay, cutscene watchers, okay. I'm a Final Fantasy 14 player. I watch cutscenes, I don't skip. Filthy skippers. Nah, JK, man. I don't care about that, to be honest. If you care about, like, how people play, man, you're just weird, bro. When you run Argus Bolton Bia every day, Yui. But now that like there is Hell Bolton and everything, I might be busy. The times that I can, I will run it. Just whenever you're in stream and if I'm about to run it, just tell me and join up. It's 20. Wait, it's already 20. Damn. This Ultrek just went all in. Ultrek went in on weapon, I guess. Didn't even try. Hit Nico. Thank you for the follow, man. Welcome. Still remember the tail swipe right there? Hell yeah, that tail swipe PTSD right there in tier 1. Another tail swipe. Do the equalized? Need my gauge. What the hell? Okay. Didn't see the tail. The meteors, the meteors. Wait, there is that thing. The forgot about that part. I saw like some of the Christmas thing, and I forgot about it. Oh, okay, this is the blue one. Still the blue one, still the blue one. Ow. Mystic flashbacks. Imagine playing 14 and not watching cutscene. I mean, it's fine. If your enjoyment comes from something else, why do you have to do that, right? Yeah, there we go. The eater. Shit. As I get stunned. Need to push it out of the thing, I guess, yeah. Being chilling. Ow. Oh, not it. The fog. Not doing the purple fog yet. Dude, his number is actually different here. We are equalized like way stronger than what I thought. Like our numbers are like 20 million. I thought we were gonna be like tier 1 numbers, not, you know, tier 4 numbers. This looks like tier 4 numbers. My what's the name? And my Crimson Breaker does like 10 million each hit. Oh shit. Laser. There's a heal on the top by the bug there. Nope. Shit. I saw that coming, I stopped attacking already. Shouldn't attack that one, boys. Wait, what? Wait. It wasn't translated, man. Guys, yeah. Because the new emotes are not yet done. Oh, it's the purple one now. Drop it outside if you're purple, please. Yeah, there we go. Another one. God damn it, it's actually annoying. Another meteors. Random AoEs. Ever since tier 1. Tail swipe. Who has purple? No, the purple dude! Not that purple. Oh shit. That. Stop. You Pepegas, man. You Pepegas. That like gets hit again. Stop attacking that one. $250 million for awakening. I see. Worth it, SB. Worth it. I have the name of the meme can destroy missing their skill. A meme for it? A compilation? I don't know. I mean, you can probably find it pretty easily on like any like YouTube video. Just type destroyer in like in Korean, Loa destroyer, and you probably will find it everywhere. Actually has more health than I thought here. Oh, is that one already? Right, and that's phase 1 done. Phase 2 now. Up. Wait, what? That cutscene skipped itself. The cutscene skipped itself, or maybe I skipped it by mistake. Oh right. Wait. Okay, green left then. Party 1 left. Cause like. Okay, there we go. I'm just making sure, man. Just making sure. Cause like when we were splitting the party, some guy already went ahead. So I guess we're stuck here. Green party left then. Party 1 left. Guess we're stuck with the fire golem. Fire golem. Alright, let's go. Oi, why throw at me? Really hope party 2 doesn't fail the mechanic here, or else we are dead. Ow. Oh yeah, tank it, burst blade, burst 2 blade. Gonna cry and it's always me who gets fired and there's a new patch. Why always you? What happened? What happened with new patch, Sanar? What happened? Oh, it's a jump. There it is, star. What the hell? It's barely right outside of it. I still remember that this fire golem jump. Not again. Ice golem impair should come out pretty soon, to be honest. Is that the one? Okay, moment of truth. Are we dead, boys? So far so good. Are you playing Oi Oi? Zircon Russia? Is he? There it is. Pam. There we go. Just missed my gauge generation skill, but I have awakening, I guess. Game update 5 times, and the last time it won't go further than 50%. Also basically the game itself, I see. Supports call it out, maybe if possible, like the number of like health bar. Oh, the ball again. Going for me, sir. Fire in the hot. Another jump again, right there. There we go. Go? We're not done yet though. We're at like 5% now. Need to kill it fast then if that is the case. Okay, well, that's phase 2. That was easier than I remembered. That was easier than I remembered. Right now it's blood 43.4% and it's been 20 minutes, didn't move. I don't know, man. I feel like that's just yours and Russia right there. No, cancel. Yep. Mystic. Good old raid. Good old raid, Pabloni. Oh yeah. The Ether Power Insane, this one. My Blood Massacre, still 6-second cooldown. Wait, the Ether? The cooldown Ether? Oh, Frost is Cass here? Yeah, Cass is here, in the raid right here. That's Cass. Cass the Giga Chat, yeah, Cass the Giga Chat. No, once per expedition, that's it. So, yeah, only once. They send the armor stacks after? Yeah, I was asking you earlier, Frost, if you want me to send it to you now. After this, then I can do it, yeah. Bombardment time. Alright, 41. Shit, man. Well, it's phase 3 time, let's go. The design of the boss is still cool, man. Still think that the boss design is actually really good. Laser the laser. I'll take care of it when I'm outside of hypersync, I guess. Tail swipe. Okay, got that one done. There's another thing right here. Purple, put it out. Alright, no one turns into snowman yet. Lore-wise, Mystic is holding Arc. No, he's one of the... Is this one? Oh, okay, it doesn't one-shot now. Oh, maybe it does. Ooh, okay, that actually hurts. Killed my sync right away. Yui did die. I just said that like it doesn't one-shot on this event. Never mind it. Everyone got one-shotted anyway. I spoke too soon. Just a little bit too soon. Take the ether. Not a good place actually here. Another one? Okay, never mind. Okay, UV is down again. Oh, help! Wait, is that like a... Out, I guess. Another mortal. Missed it. Wait, what happened? Oh, again. Rip. That was the counter. I wasn't paying attention. It's not Mystic holding the arc. The floor-wise, Mystic is just a guardian. It's like a guardian, raid, except it's a big one basically, one of the big one. Forgot the exact what happened with that base. The exact thing on what happened to Mystic. Another mortal. Only scouter in tier 1. So there is no posting to raise where it's blocked as if a user replies it goes to 0% again. Really? That sounds like a 10-year-old launcher. Stove doesn't do that at least, so at least like that. I got you guys, I got you guys. We need to come back soon actually. Come back in, come back in. Thank you, Pablo. Thank you, thank you. Oh, impairment. Okay, clear my hypersync for the impairment. Nice, there we go. That's impair down the drain, easy one. Did abort my entire client, crash by just game center, so scuff. Yeah, it's the game center, it's your launcher basically. Oh shit. No! Okay. No! Please! Ow. Dude! I feel like he keeps going to me. Okay. We're having dead people left and right, Captain. Man down. Alright. Need to keep back in the center because we can't stay out for too long. Stop. Okay, it doesn't trigger it. I see. It doesn't trigger the counter. Ow. Up. CBA can't wait, download it on Steam. Have no download, easy download CBA. Wait, what? Which one is this? Steam. Out. Oh, it's done already. Nice. Well, easy clear, I guess. Easy clear. Can't type anymore. Twice CBA. Well, that was a easy clear. Tried Sork, but it's not for me the playstyle. I see. Well, that just happens to be it, man. Well, that's a sneak peek of a tier 1 raid, man. When we are like, yeah, kind of like gear. Everyone was dying? I don't know. I didn't die. Didn't get hit by the dive bomb. Because I've done that dive bomb basically. The dive bomb is